Hey guys, welcome back to the Project DIY channel. On today's project, I'm going to be making some upgrades to my mountain bike. Let's get started. Alright, I'm going to start out this video today by saying I am certainly no expert when it comes to bicycles. I can promise you that. I have some friends who are. You know who you are. But I'm just a casual user. But when I do ride my bike, I want it to be comfortable. So here's what we're going to be working on today. A 26-inch Roadmaster Granite Peak mountain bike. This is a Walmart special, and I didn't give a whole lot for it, but it serves its purpose. We take it on vacations, camping trips, and we ride a lot when we're doing those kind of things. Shonda has her own bike, and she likes to ride. We have a good time with it. I'm not going to be tricking this thing out like a real nice bike, I can promise you that, but there's just a few items that I want to take care of that are causing me an issue. First things first, this bike has twist grip shifters on it, both sides. This is an 18-speed bike, 6 in the rear, 3 in the front, and these shifters are okay, but they can be difficult to keep it in gear sometimes. They don't want to stay in gear. They just kind of move wherever they want, so I do have an issue with those. To remedy that situation, I have a couple of Shimano shifters. These are Amazon specials, and this one is a push button shifter. Shifts up with a push button, shifts down with a lever, and I have used these on a friend's bike before, not this particular style, but a different style of push button shifter, and his worked really well, and these have to be better than what I have on mine. Now, because I'm changing these shifters, they are part of the grip, so the grip is only this part of it, so it's real short, so I'm gonna have to change the grips. For the grips, I've got a couple of grips that I bought off of Amazon, and we'll see how these are, see if they're comfortable. The next situation is these handlebars. These are pretty much a straight line all the way across, and while that's probably okay for some of you younger folks, for myself, this puts all my weight on my grips in the front, and which makes it easier on your backside, but it's not easy on my shoulders. So we're going to change those out. Now for that, I bought this set of handlebars also from Amazon, and they are a 4-inch rise, so that will lift me up a little bit, maybe take some of the pressure off my shoulders. Next, as you can tell, I have no type of storage at all on this bike, so when I go, anything that I take with me has to go in my pocket. And for that, I've got this pouch that I bought off of Amazon, and it will hold a cell phone and a water bottle. And Shonda has one of these on her bike, and she says it works really well, so I got one for mine. Alright, so to take care of all these parts, most of them anyway, I'm going to be removing all these, the shifter, brakes, everything from the handlebars, and then I'll be removing the handlebars, putting the new handlebars on, putting the brake levers back on the new handlebars, and installing the new shifters and then the grips. So far, pretty easy. Everything came right off. It's mostly held on with just Allen bolts. Alright, so far so good. These things work like this. You can shift to whichever gear you want. Downshift, then to shift up you just push the button. Now this one, for the front derailleur, is just a lever. Alright, now we're ready to get the cables hooked up. Alright guys, and there you have it. That's upgrades to a cheap Walmart mountain bike. Everything works great. No issues. Shifters work great, both sides. They work with my old derailleurs. Perfect, no issues. Even the little cell phone bag works good. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching. If you wouldn't mind, hit that like button and also leave a comment if you have any questions. Smart aleck comments, it don't matter. I'll take them all. Also, I would appreciate it if you'd subscribe so you can see my next video. And after all that, I think the next thing you should do is watch this video.